What's up everyone? Today we're gonna watch some random video I found called BTS eating moments. I'm guessing it's a compilation video of, well, BTS eating. I never would have thought that there would be a video specifically on that, but now that I think about it, there's probably a compilation video for everything that they do. But BTS eating though, that is something I'm interested in. My number one goal in life is to taste as much food, so I do watch a lot of food and cooking videos. But in this BTS eating moments video, there's probably gonna be a lot of stuff that I don't know what it is since they're in Korea and I know nothing about Korean food. Anyways, let's start watching this video. Dang, starting off with my boy V looking like some Dragon Ball Evolution character. An orange ball. Oh, it's fried. Why not just take half and half? I don't think he wants it anymore. Oh my god. Dropped half a freaking banana. Is he gonna drop it too? He's not. Alright, the clip with Jimin eating the banana and then squishing it. There's a lot to go around, alright? No one has to worry. Alright, I still find that to be pretty weird. I'm guessing it was good. Dang, how many noodles are there? Eat Jin. It's looking sexy, V. Hey, some corn dogs? Why is it that I never see them eating like salads or healthy stuff? Oh, I think I've seen those sandwiches. I mean, I guess rice is pretty healthy. Yo, why does V sometimes just not look real? Oh, it's that spicy ramen thing. But isn't there a red one that's like even spicier? I've always wanted to taste that. Are you sure? Yo, he looked genuinely worried. Yeah, I think someone told me that V doesn't like alcohol, the taste of it. Why was V all excited? Have they ever tasted anything and not liked it? You know, besides the punishments that they sometimes do on Run BTS?
하나만 먹게. 먹을게. 어? 아니야. 와 여기 꼭 먹으러 갈 사람 없네. 돼지고기 먹자.
Yo, don't steal his pork. That's his. Yeah, bread on gummy and gummy worms. Not sure about that.
이거는 다 못 먹어.
Yeah, it does look pretty big. I'm guessing he likes it. Ooh, some ice cream. Even when they're eating, they're always playing. One risotto and one ribeye? Hold up.
Together. Together.
Why do you say bam?
야. Together 밥 못 쳤어.
Together bam, yeah. Oh no, why you ruin the ice cream, Jimmy? Now it looks disgusting.
한 입에 다 넣으면 약간 좀
Of course it would. What? That looks
그렇겠죠?
good.
영상이 나올게.
어떻게 맛있을 수가 있지?
He's back for another bite.
야 좀 가자 정구야 제발.
You might as well take the plate of food with him.
부럽다. 나도 먹고 싶다.
야 빨리.
Wait, so they're gonna go and have dinner afterwards?
야, 너 이렇게 나오잖아. 이렇게 나오잖아, 너.
아니 이런 집중 지가 하는 거 생각
빨리 가자고.
Oh, he's back? Yo, just take the plate.
늦게 출발하면.
Just take it.
수고하셨습니다.
Alright, now they're leaving, I guess.
아니 키를 저문 밑에
Oh, yo, look at Jin's clothes. He's looking fly. That is the smallest hot dog bite I've ever seen. He barely even got. He just got a little bit of bread.
두개째야? 맛있어 맛있어? 네. 맛있어. 나 먹어야겠다. 네. 정말 못 보여 먹어 맛있어?
Why does it look so cute whenever they're eating?
맛있다. 맛있어요? 야 맛있다.
괜찮아요?
아니다.
Yo, Jin's looking like he belongs on some anime. Bleach.
오늘의 주인공 중요하십니다.
주먹해 주먹.
Yo, they were ready to have a whole feast though. I mean, look at that. Don't eat it too fast. Alright, I guess they do eat a lot of healthy stuff. Refueling. Ooh, V with blue hair? Yo! Some candy? And now he has a cup full of them.
너무 맛있어.
Why is he looking in a mirror though? Why is he doing that? I wouldn't want to look at myself while I'm eating. Yo, poor Jungkook, his corn. Why are you stopping him? Let him have taste.
올리면은 귀여워 보여가지고 싫어요. 올리면은 귀여워.
I don't like to have my bangs sideswept because I look cute.
성민이 귀여운데 어떡해?
Very true. Meanwhile, Jin's just over here eating, watching those two flirt.
어? 아니에요. 무슨 소리야?
현장에 스토리가.
Banana on bread. I only do that with peanut butter. They pour the milk in a bowl? I've never seen someone eat cookies and have the milk in a whole bowl instead of a cup.
밥 안 먹어가지고 밥 먹었더니 어제 죽을 뻔했어. 여기까지 다 올라가서 힘들더라고요.
Oh shit.
대기실. 아니.
Didn't he just say it was for dogs? Well, oh. Well, it's too late. Was it good though? I mean, he didn't say it was bad.
같이 하겠어요?
형님 이런 것도
하나 먹게요.
넌 짜면 안 들리냐?
대단하다 진짜.
Well, BTS eating compilation is one that I didn't know I needed. I guess with BTS, there never is a dull moment, not even when they have to eat. And since they dance and work out a lot, like almost every day, then it's expected that a lot of the times they eat good ass food. Honestly, I'm very jealous that they can eat like that and look like that, but they do work out and they do probably still eat healthy most of the time. Alright, but anyways, that was the video. I hope you enjoyed and thanks for watching.